Imagine having a proven trading strategy that consistently generates profits without relying on emotions or guesswork. Today, we're going to show you how to backtest a trading strategy using free methods so you can develop a reliable edge in the markets. Backtesting is a crucial step in creating a trading strategy as it helps you evaluate its performance and identify potential pitfalls. But many traders are intimidated by the process, thinking it requires expensive software or a PhD in finance. The good news is that you can backtest a trading strategy using free methods, and we're going to walk you through it step by step. First, let's define what backtesting is. Backtesting involves applying a trading strategy to historical market data to see how it would have performed in the past. This helps you understand the strategy's strengths and weaknesses and make adjustments before risking real capital. When backtesting, you'll need a few key pieces of information: the trading strategy itself,